I'm Shamali Sinal. Welcome to Foodie. Today I'm making poached egg curry. If I have to make a meal within 20 minutes, then poached egg curry and any kind of rice, maybe spinach mushroom rice, is going to be one of my favorite combinations. Here I have arranged all the ingredients, so let's get started. Now in this cooking pot, I have preheated some mustard oil and I'm going to add some whole spices to temper the oil. I'm adding cinnamon, bay leaf, cloves, green cardamom and stir until the whole spices release aroma. Then sprinkle a pinch of salt and add this chopped red onion. Add salt to the onion. Now over medium heat, cook till the onion is soft and translucent. Next I will add this grated garlic, or you can add garlic paste, grated ginger or ginger paste, and continue cooking until the raw smell of ginger and garlic removed. Once it's done, then add chopped tomato and cook till it's soft. At this point, I'm adding salt for the gravy. Add in this chopped capsicum. Cook for a few minutes. And here I have cumin powder, coriander powder, red chilli powder, turmeric powder. Now add all these spices in the onion capsicum mixture and add a couple tablespoons of water. Mix everything well and then cover with a lid. Cook until the oil is releasing from the mixture. Now add a cup of water and allow the gravy to start boiling. Here I have 4 large eggs. Now in a small bowl, crack 1 egg at a time and then drop it in the gravy. Reduce the temperature to low when you are adding the eggs and repeat the same process with remaining eggs. Next, add some chopped coriander leaves, slit green chilies. Cover with a lid and over medium-low heat, cook just for a minute if you like semi-soft yolk. And for soft to firm one, it will take 2 to 4 minutes. And then turn off the heat and give 5 minutes resting time. Now look at the texture and color. If you want, you can sprinkle some garam masala, and sometimes I like to serve this poached egg curry with paratha or jeera rice. If you like this recipe, give it a try and share with others on social media. Like, share, comment and subscribe to Foodie. বাংলায় আমার সাথে গল্প করার জন্য দেখুন আমার vlog channel Foodie Life. We'll meet again. Till then, bye.